I'm Krista. Welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video where I'm talking about Mary Kay. So I just ask that you have some patience for me. So this is exciting because this is an unboxing video. I received a shipment. I can't remember exactly what's in here. I know part of it is customer ordered, and then part of it is just restocking some things on my shelf so that I have everything I need when my customers inquire. So let's see what we have. I'm excited. So first off, let me share with you a little bit about the packing peanuts. These peanuts are biodegradable, so they dissolve in water, which is great for the environment. They don't hurt the environment at all. So we are conscious about that. So here's the first bag we'll go through. Let's see what's in here. See what we have. It looks like a little bit of everything. Okay. So we have, let me get everything in the right order. Go like this. We have samples of our lip gloss. So, our unlimited lip gloss. So we got samples. Let's see. We have our waterproof eyeliner in brown. Got 2 of those. I think I got black too. Yep. Waterproof eyeliner in black. And I got some fun stuff in here too. So here's some things that are limited edition. These are exciting. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing these. I'll probably do a video on these. So we have some of our limited edition matte lipsticks. We have the color Red Noir or Nior. Rich Mahogany. That one's Rich Mahogany. And then this one is Red Noir or Red Rouge. It's the same one as the first one. I thought there was a different color. Oh, Rich Mahogany. Okay, so I have those. What else do I have down here? Okay. More of the same. More of the same in that bag. Ooh, what else we have in here? Exciting, some samples. These, this is our pore minimizer and microdermabrasion samples. Love, 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 love this product. This is probably one of my all-time faves. It just, your face feels so, so good after you use that. We've got those samples. Let's just go through the samples we have. So then, I also have samples of our exfoliating scrub for our newest line. Those. What else do we have here? More samples of like our Time Wise cleansing system. These things are packaged to help me run my business. I have some setting powder, various colors. So this one's light to medium bronze. This one's medium ivory. I also have medium beige and light bronze. One more. This one is light medium beige. Got those. Okay. We also have the mattifying cleanser. This is our new line. The balancing toner. and the exfoliating scrub, and also pore minimizer, mattifying moisturizer. All of these are our new line. This is our newest line. What else? Pore minimizer. Okay. Alright, and then the last thing I have in this box is everyone's favorite, and that's satin hands. So I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm going to have some excited customers because their order has come in. So I'm